Hmm. Rahul, tell me about your weaknesses and strengths.
So weakness? Sir, I have no weakness, sir. Sir, I'm perfect. I'm perfect, sir.
It's a lie, guys. Nobody is perfect in this world. You can't play with veterans. They are experienced guys. They take 10 entries in a day. When interviewer asks this question from you, what is your weaknesses or strengths? He wants to know how self-aware you are. He wants to know how much you know yourself. To say that I'm a perfectionist, or I'm very hardworking, or sometimes people used to say that I don't stop until I finish my work. That is not your weakness, that is your strength. And you don't try to plunge your strength in your weaknesses. To be a successful person, you need to know what is your strengths and weaknesses. So next time when you ask this question in the interview, guys, you need to make sure that you give your answer perfectly. Here, you are not going to tell your weaknesses in your personality, because when you share your weaknesses and personality, it simply means that it's less likely to be worked upon. It can't be improved, because that has become your habit. Try to tell the weaknesses in your skills. Like, you are asked to share your weaknesses. You can simply share, sir, I'm kind of introvert person. In a team, I'm scared to share my point of view. I feel shy. I think what people would say when I share my point of views. But along with this, you also need to share, guys, that how you're working on your weaknesses. Now, everybody has weaknesses, as I told you earlier. But if you are self-aware, you know how to work on that. And that is what interview is looking for. That you know what is your weakness and how you're going to work on that. So you can simply share that I have taken a course of public speaking where I'm learning how to share my point of views and how to work in a team. How your ideas can help your organization to grow. So I have taken this course, and I am pretty sure that within 6 months I would be able to overcome this weakness. You share that, sir, I am struggling to write better emails. I have got many feedbacks from my colleagues and my bosses that I am not good at writing emails, and I know that I need to improve a lot. For that, I have got a wonderful idea to improve it. I have taken up a course online where I am learning how to write better emails. Now, I have completed approximately half of the course, and I have got to know how to write better emails. And I'm pretty sure within a month I would be able to write better emails. When it comes to telling your strengths, you need to make sure that you tell the strengths to the job that you're going to apply for. Take an example. If you're going for a customer service profile, then you can share your strengths that I like to interact with people over the phone, and I'm a problem solver. I like to solve the problems of the people, and I also have this habit to resolve the problem within a given time. I have developed good communication skills to deal with customers and my colleagues. I worked a lot to improve my communication skills. Or if you're applying for a sales job, you can simply share that how much you know about a product that company is producing, that you have a deep knowledge about the product. Or you can also share that I knew that I would be working in sales and marketing, so I worked very hard to develop good relationships with people and dealers. I have also developed good relationship with my team because I knew that I will be working in a team in sales, and you can't achieve your targets if you don't have good relationships with your team members. Having good relationship with team members is a key to get success. Share about your strengths related to the job that you're going to apply for. Because if you share your strengths related to the job that you're going to apply for, it's more likely for you to get the job that you're going to apply. As I told you earlier, that you need to prepare yourself in advance. Again, remember it, guys. Your weaknesses should not belong to personality. They should always belong to your skills. because skills can be improved, but it's very hard to change the personality of a person, because you have developed that personality, developed that habit with the process of time, and it takes a long time to change the personality. But skills can be improved, skills can be learned. It takes very less time. I hope guys you learned something from this video. Thank you very much guys for watching this video. I really appreciate your patience. I'll keep making videos like this, but I need your support. Please share and subscribe. Please also press the bell icon. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.